Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy the new video. Thank you.
The world around us, the world is big. The world is wide, that there's so much to see on every side. Mountains high and oceans deep, sea cross that the forest keep. Mountains high and oceans deep, hill cross that the forest keep. Animals in jungles roam, birds find trees to call their home. Animals in jungles roam, birds find trees to call their home. Rivers flow and deserts dry, clouds that dance up in the sky. Rivers flow and deserts dry, clouds that dance up in the sky. Children laugh in Neverland, holding dreams in tiny hands. Children laugh in Neverland, holding dreams in tiny hands. Though we are different, short or tall, we share one world. It's home for all. Though we are different, so let us care and let us share. For this big world is ours to bear. So let us care. Together we can make right a world of love, of joy, of light.
Thanks for watching the video.